Bizmated, the robust CRM and sales and marketing automation platform, serves as the backbone of your business growth strategy. It functions as an orchestra conductor, harmonizing every element of your customer lifecycle journey, from capturing leads, nurturing, to converting them into customers and cultivating loyalty. Now that's a robust tool that can make a huge impact on your business's growth. Bizmated acts as the central hub for all your customers and prospect data, much like a well-organized library stores all essential information in a single location. This ensures all team members can easily access and stay updated on the same information. Each customer contact record encompasses all the important details, as well as a comprehensive activity history, providing a 360-degree view of each interaction. Next, Bizmated CRM offers quick action buttons on each contact record, enabling you to swiftly send a text or email, add notes or tasks, schedule an appointment, process a purchase, or dispatch an invoice or quote. The platform also enables you to segment contacts into groups or initiate automated messages based on contact tags and activity, streamlining communication like a well-oiled machine. In addition, Bizmated allows you to create company records, enabling you to keep track of contacts belonging to various companies. It enables you to leverage your lead and client data effectively and personalize communication at scale, much like a tailor crafting custom-made suits. The automation tab is the master craftsman, enabling you to send the right messages at the right time to leads and clients through pre-built and custom automation processes. From sending appointment reminders to managing intricate processes like a landing page funnel campaign, the Automation Builder is your digital workhorse, saving you countless hours on repetitive tasks. With Bizmated, you can send one-to-one personalized emails and texts, crucial points in your customer's journey, and also allows for text and email broadcasts to segments of your list using Smart List to announce promotions or new offerings. With a gallery of customizable email templates and scheduling capabilities, with Bizmated, ensures your leads receive targeted communication at the optimal time. From the conversations inbox, you can manage text message, email, web chat, or Google Chat, Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, and anyone in your contact list, allowing you to juggle multiple conversations from your desktop or mobile device all in one place. Bizmated also offers a separate business phone number, protecting your personal communication while providing a professional interface for business interactions. Bizmated capture tools convert website traffic into valuable leads. Use the form builder to create web forms to place on your website. New leads automatically flow into your Bizmated CRM, triggering automated processes like a welcome email series, as seamless as water flowing down a river. With Bizmated, stunning landing page templates, and an intuitive drag and drop builder, creating conversion funnel offers or lead magnet campaigns to boost your sales is like painting a masterpiece with the finest brushes and colors. Bizmated's sales pipeline feature allows you to track and manage deals, automating emails, notifications, tasks, and more, to trigger automatically when a deal progresses from one stage to the next in your pipeline. It's like a well-tuned assembly line, ensuring efficiency and productivity. Bizmated's calendar feature integrates with your Google or Outlook calendar and Zoom account, providing custom booking links for your contacts, allowing them to self-schedule appointments. This is accompanied by automatic reminders and the ability to trigger other automated processes, like alerting internal staff member when an appointment is booked. With Bizmated, you can create seamless checkout experiences with user-friendly checkout forms and integrations with payment tools like Stripe, PayPal, or other supported merchant processing gateways. Set up automatic recurring credit card payments for subscription management and ongoing client relationships, creating a smooth transaction process like a well-rehearsed dance routine. With Bizmated, equips you with powerful analytics to make informed decisions for your business. With reports on list growth, email marketing performance, and revenue trends over time, Bizmated serves as your business's crystal ball, providing insights into your past, present, and future performance. Bizmated, easily integrated with popular business applications like Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook, QuickBooks, PayPal, Zapier, Facebook Leads Ads, TikTok, and Zoom. But what truly sets Bizmated apart? is the Sterling support team, offering 24/7 assistance via live chat and scheduled Zoom calls at your convenience, giving you confidence knowing you have a dependable team behind you every step of the way. We invite you to discover the power and potential of Bizmated. Chat with our sales team to get all your questions answered. Experience the transformational impact of this business growth tool for yourself. What are you waiting for? Let Bizmated automate your business.